Cleaning and maintaining healthcare facilities is a difficult task with very unique challenges. Not only are appearances important, but the very health and safety of your patrons and staff are at stake. Cleaning is also crucial for preventing major, long-term expenses. As important as cleaning is, it seems time and resources can often fall short. That's where HomePro and our advanced AI-driven robotic floor cleaning solutions come in. We can help you better meet the cleaning needs of your healthcare facilities. Our robots are designed to tackle diverse cleaning challenges with efficiency, precision, and minimal human involvement. By combining cutting-edge technology, intuitive features, and robust safety features, our robots ensure superior cleaning performance while significantly reducing your costs. Now, you can stay on top of floor cleaning while having the time to focus on other important duties. The SP50 is a high-capacity vacuum and sweeper ideally suited for healthcare facilities. In large spaces like lobbies and hallways, the SP50 cleans with extreme efficiency, covering up to 21,000 square feet per hour. Its high-capacity lithium-ion battery and convenient optional docking station make the SP50 the most productive robotic vacuum on the market. Its intuitive mobile app and touchscreen interface streamline operation and maintenance, freeing staff to focus on other skilled tasks. With its rapid cleaning of bare floors and deep cleaning of carpets, the SP50 is a perfect choice for modern buildings. The L4 and L50 scrubber dryers scrub and dry bare floors with unmatched efficiency. The L4's compact design and AI-driven edge cleaning technology make it ideal for narrow areas like hallways and lobbies. The L50, designed for heavy-duty tasks, cleans up to 27,000 square feet per hour with a 6-hour max runtime. A 14.5-gallon solution tank allows for maximum cleaning cycles. These scrubbers are ideal for tile, vinyl, concrete, even wood. Both models provide precise navigation with multi-sensor safety shields and intuitive mobile apps for effortless operation. Together, we create clean, welcoming, and safe environments. Ask your HomePro expert how to get started with robotic cleaning today.